Hi guys, welcome back to our Wixel series. In today's video, we're going to learn how to add a button to your document. Let's get right onto it. Here on the Wixel Editor, go to Add Elements. Then on this panel, go to Layout Elements. Look for Button and select a button style you wish to add to your document. Once you click on an option, it will automatically be added to your page. You can actually move it to wherever you'd like to place it. And once that's done, we are now going to make that button work. So click on it, click on link on the action bar above, and on this drop down, you can choose where you'd like to link it to. So you can choose to link it to a web address or a section. If you choose web address, make sure to input the URL of where you'd like your readers to be taken to once they click on this button. Additionally, you can also set up other settings over here. And if you choose a section, make sure that you select what kind of element you'd like to link this button to. So is it a paragraph, heading, image, etc.? So let's say heading. Now, Wixel will then analyze all of your headings, and if you click on this drop down, you can choose which heading you would like to link to. So just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to do that or use this link, for example. And then once everything's all ready, click on Save. And if you wish to redesign your button, you can also do that. Click on it and go to Settings, and here go to the Design tab. You can design your button on its normal state and on its hovered state. So you can select your button size, fill color, text color, border width, and corner radius. Once you're done working on the normal state, work on the hovered state as well. So go ahead and customize your button however you like to. That's it. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.